Before I learned how to trade the stock market, I've been involved in the stock market for a while, probably since like 2016. And I used to do what they call dollar cost averaging, which was every time I got paid, I used to put a little bit of money in the portfolio and buy something every week. It was on auto. This is something that we have to get into the habit of doing, being the light to Allah, right? So building assets and multiple income streams, right? Me and Abdullah was just talking about this. The brother said, man, you got to take like 25% of that and you got to go maybe buy an asset, something like maybe a rental car or something like a property. Yeah, that money is gone, but you have that asset and it's a tangible thing. You can touch it. Not only do you have the principal amount of that money, but you also have what that money has grown into. Without a plan, lifestyle creep eats everything. You earn more, you save less though. So with a plan, every dollar or every pound, it got a job assigned before you even spend it. Because that's the first thing that needs to change is our way of thinking. We just sat here and said, none of us ain't got no plan, no long-term plan. And the ones that do haven't stuck to them. So this is just me forcing us to look within. In the religion, everything has a set purpose. Everything from your ibadah, the way that you deal with your family, your children, everything has a set purpose. Everything is in its place. So winging it in life is not really how we as Muslims are supposed to be living in the first place.